Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok Q&A feature on videos. Now to use Q&A feature in TikTok, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and enable it on your profile. Now to enable this, all you have to do is go ahead and open your TikTok application, then tap on this profile icon. Now, once you tap on it profile icon, you should be able to find these three horizontal lines or menu icon on the top right. Go ahead and click on it, then open your TikTok Studio. Go ahead and also ensure that you have installed the TikTok Studio application. However, it is not available in my region, so I don't have it installed within my device, but it should be in yours. Now, once you do so, you should be able to find an option inside TikTok Studio called Q&A. Now, tap the turn on button on Q&A option, and once enabled, a Q&A link will appear in your bio and a Q&A icon will show up in your comment section as well. Now viewers will be able to tap on it and ask you any sort of questions over there. Now all you have to do is go ahead and open your Q&A dashboard on your bio or your TikTok Studio, and you can reply it from there by tapping on answer button. I hope this video helps you out a lot in your content creation journey, and if you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.